Hey Alex, what are you getting? I'll get something fancy, maybe a double shot, extra foam, no sugar, oat milk caramel macchiato. Wow, sounds like you memorized the whole menu. I like to sound professional. Hi there, what can I get for you? I'll have a double shot, extra froth, no oat, sugar milk caramel. What did I say again? You just ordered a science experiment. Would you like regular coffee instead? Yes, please, black coffee. Simple. See, simplicity is key, my friend. I've learned something important today. Oh, yeah, what's that? Never try to sound fancy if you can't pronounce it. And always order something you can spell.